Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to setting up your iPhone 14. Let's have a look. The first thing you need to do is turn on your iPhone 14. Press and hold the side button on the right side of your iPhone until you see the Apple logo appears. Wait a few seconds and the hello screen should appear. Swipe up to open. Follow the iPhone on-screen instructions. Scroll and select your language. Select your country or region. From the list, select your country and tap on your country name. Use Quick Start to set up your iPhone 14. If you would like to set up manually, tap Set up manually. Written and spoken languages. Tap Continue or you can customize settings. Now it's a time to join your Wi-Fi network on your new iPhone. Or you can connect to Mac or PC if you'd like to set up your iPhone using a Mac or PC. Tap on the Wi-Fi name to join. Then enter your Wi-Fi password. Tap join button on bottom right or on the top right. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Data and privacy. Tap continue. Now you can set up your Face ID. To set up your Face ID, tap continue. Or you can set up later by tap set up later. On the next screen, you need to create a passcode. Or you can tap passcode options. You can create your iPhone passcode later. So tap don't use passcode. Apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data on this iPhone. For new iPhone setup, tap Don't transfer apps and data. Apple ID. Sign in with your Apple ID to use iCloud, the App Store and other Apple services. If you don't have Apple ID, tap Don't have an Apple ID. Then tap Create a free Apple ID. Name and date of birth. Enter your first name, then last name, then enter date of birth. Your date of birth is used to determine which services to set up on this iPhone. Tap continue from bottom of the screen. Email address. This will be your new email address. If you would like to use any existing email address, tap use an existing email address. Tap continue. Email address created. This email address will be your new Apple ID. It can be changed later. So tap create email address. Now enter your new Apple ID password. The password must be at least 8 characters. Include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. So enter a new password for your Apple ID. Tap continue. Phone number. Please enter a phone number that can be used to verify your identity via text message or phone call. Enter your phone number and tap continue from bottom of the screen. You will receive a verification code in your phone number. Enter the code for verification. Terms and conditions. Tap agree. Updating iCloud settings. Keep your iPhone up to date. Tap continue. Then you can enable location service. Set up mobile service. Tap set up later in settings. Would you like to skip eSIM setup? Tap skip. Now you can set up Siri by saying Hey Siri, or you can set up later in settings. For screen time, tap setup later in settings. Analytics, don't share. Appearance. Select a light or dark appearance and see how your iPhone adjusts depending on which one you choose. Tap dark, then tap light. Choose anyone and tap continue. Display zoom. Select one, then tap continue. For emergency SOS, tap continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. That's it. iPhone setup completed. Now from your iPhone settings, you can check your iPhone name, iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and other details. So these are the steps to create a new Apple ID and set up your iPhone 14. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.